Hello friends, welcome to Max Solutions. In this video, I am going to explain about these 7 more questions from the definite integrations. In my previous videos, I have completed 4 more questions and it's a previous 2 more questions I have completed. So from this video, I will explain only 3 questions, very important, one concept questions I have explained. In the next video, I will explain 3 more questions, that is another concept. So that 6 questions are very important role in annual examination. Okay, let's see. Here I'm taking question, evaluate integral 0 to 1. Evaluate integral 0 to 1 log 1 plus x by 1 plus x square dx. So how to solve this question? So let I'm taking here x value is some tan theta I'm taking here. Let x equals to I'm taking here tan theta. When I take derivation on both sides, we can get here dx equals to secant square theta d theta we can get here. When I derive with x, we can get here dx equals to tan theta, its derivation is secant square theta d theta. And next term, we have to substitute. When we take x value, x equals something, that time we have to take a upper limit and a lower limit we have to find here. So I'm going to find first upper limit. Upper limit equals to, what is upper limit here? Actually 1 is there, so that 1 we have to take in place of x. So here 1 I am taking here tan theta. Tan theta equals to 1. For what value we can get a tan theta equals to 1? At tan 45 degrees equals to 1. So here we can get theta equals to 45 degrees. Here theta equals to 45 degrees. Next, lower limit. Lower limit is what here? 0 is there. So x place in we have to take here 0 equals to tan theta. So for what value we can get tan theta equals to 0? At 0 degrees equals to 0. So theta equals to 0. So this 45 degrees I am going to write as a pi by 4. Pi by 4. Now this and these values I am going to substitute here. Limit 0 to 1 log 1 plus x by 1 plus x square dx equals to. Now I am going to substitute here. 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus x equals to what we have taken here, tan theta we have taken, by 1 plus x square is there. Square means x means tan theta, x square means tan square theta, into dx is there. Dx, what is the dx here? Secant square theta d theta. Secant square theta d theta. Now once you observe here, 1 plus tan square theta, 1 plus tan square theta equals secant square theta, that is the identity. We know secant square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. When you write it is as a 1 plus tan square theta, that is equals to secant square theta. So here secant square theta gets cancelled. I think you know about that identity. And what is the remaining here? Log 1 plus tan theta, that is it, that I am going to write here. 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan theta into d theta. Now pi by 4 I am going to substitute in place of t theta. 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan pi by 4 minus theta. Now it is I am going to write as a tan a minus b form. Tan a minus b equals to tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a into tan b. You have to remember that formula. Tan a minus b equals to tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a into tan b. That I am going to write in place of here. Zero to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan A equals to nothing but tan pi by 4 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan theta into d theta here. Tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A into tan B, that form I have used here. Next, tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4. Pi by 4 equals, just now I have wrote here 45 degrees. 45. Tan 45 is equals to what here? 1. Sorry, here we have to take this is equals to some I equals, I am going to write this one actually. I equals, this is I equals to log 1 plus and this value equals to 1 minus tan theta by, and this become 1 into tan theta only. So 1 plus tan theta we can write here. D theta. I equals to 0 to pi by 4 log, when I take LCM here, 1 plus tan theta plus 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta d theta. Just I took here LCM here. Here plus tan theta minus tan theta gets cancelled. 1 plus 1, 2 we can get here. I equals to 0 to pi by 4 log 2 by 1 plus tan theta d theta. Now it is like log x by y. Log x by y equals to log x minus log y. That formula we know from 10th class. I equals to 0 to pi by 4 log 2 minus log of 1 plus tan theta d theta. When I take separate of both here, I equals to 0 to pi by 4 log 2 minus pi by 4 log 1 plus tan theta d theta. Here also we have to take d theta, and this is like I. Once you observe here, I equals to log 1 plus tan theta. So this we can take completely I equals to, this log 2 is a constant, so that we can write log 2 0 to pi by 4. Here 1 into d theta is there, minus this value completely equals to I. This I, when I take here, we can get I plus I equals to log 2 1 d theta. Its integration is theta, that is from pi by 4 to 0. I plus I equals, we know that is 2I equals to log 2 into this, we can write pi by 4 minus 0. Pi by 4 here we can get here 2I equals to pi by 4 log 2, and 2 send here pi by 4, 2 when you send here pi by 8 we can get here pi by 8 log 2. If you follow all these steps, you can get a complete 7 marks. If you miss any one step, you can get a less marks, less than 7 marks. Next question here, evaluate integration from 0 to pi x sin x by 1 plus sin x dx. The both numerator and denominator having given sin x, so that we can write like this. I equals to 0 to integration x sin x by 1 plus sin x dx. This we can write 0 to pi. This pi I am going to write 0 and pi. So pi minus x sin pi minus x by 1 plus sin pi minus x dx. So pi is nothing but 180. Sine 180 minus theta. Sine 180 minus theta is nothing but second quadrant. In the second quadrant, sine theta is sine theta only, and that become positive only, because by the according to all silver teacups. I equals to 0 to pi minus x of sin x by 1 plus it is also sin x dx. And when I take separate here, I equals to integration 0 to pi into sin x minus x sin x by 1 plus sin x dx. And next when I take here separate here again, I equals to 0 to pi is a constant, so that we can take here sin x by 1 plus sin x minus here x sin x 0 to pi x sin x by 1 plus sin x dx. Here also dx is there, and this is once you observe it is like a first question, so that we have taken I, so it become I equals to pi into 0 to pi sin x by 1 plus sin x dx minus I. Minus I, when you take left side, that become I plus I. I plus I equals to 2I we can write. 2I equals to integration of 0 to pi sin x by 1 plus sin x into dx. Here 2 when you take here we can get I equals to pi by 2 integration of 0 to pi, and this I am going to write sin x, I am going to write 1 plus sin x minus 1 by 1 plus sin x dx. Plus 1 minus 1 we can get the same sin x only. Plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled, and sin x only is there here. And when I take separate here, I equals to pi by 2 0 to pi 1 plus sin x by 1 plus sin x minus 1 by 1 plus sin x dx. 1 plus sin x, 1 plus sin x I am taking separate here, and minus 1 by 1 plus sin x. Here this both gets cancelled, so it become 1. I equals to pi by 2 of 0 to pi 1 minus 1 by 1 plus sin x dx. And next when I take separate here, integration pi by 2 integral 0 to pi of 1 dx minus integral 0 to pi 1 by 1 plus sin x dx. And this 1 dx integration is x. I equals to pi by 2 of x to 0 to pi minus pi by 2 of integration 0 to pi 1 by 1 plus sin x into rationalizing I am taking here 1 minus sin x by 1 minus sin x dx. Next we can get here I equals to pi by 2 of pi minus 0 minus pi by 2 integration 0 to pi 1 into 1 minus sin x is a 1 minus sin x only by 1 plus sin x by into 1 minus sin x. It is like a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b equals to a square minus b square. So that we can get 1 minus sin square we can get here, because 1 square is a 1 only. 1 minus sin square. 1 minus sin square we know that is from identity 1. Identity 1 is what? Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. From that we can write 1 minus sin square theta equals to cos square theta. And here pi we can get here. I equals to pi by 2 into pi minus pi by 2 of integration 0 to pi This I'm 1 minus sin x by cos square we can write. 1 minus sin x by cos square x dx, and when I take separate there, we can get I equals to pi square by 2 minus pi by 2 of integration 0 to pi 1 by cos square. 1 by cos square we can write, that is secant square. And next here we can get sin x by cos x. Actually this complete I am going to write here, 1 by cos square minus sin x by cos x into 1 by cos x we can write, and dx. Sin x by cos x into 1 by cos x dx. Sin x by cos x is tan x, 1 by cos x is secant x. We can write that is completely I equals to pi square by 2 minus pi by 2 of integral 0 to pi 1 by cos square. 1 by cos square we can write secant square minus this we can write tan x into secant x. Completely we can write into dx, and its integration we can get individually. Secant square x integration is tan x, and tan x into secant x integration is secant x. So I equals to pi square by 2 minus pi by 2 of tan x minus secant x 0 to pi. I equals to pi square by 2 minus pi by 2 of tan pi minus secant pi minus of tan 0 plus secant 0. I equals to pi square by 2. Just I substituted here these values in place here. First pi, and next I am going to substitute here 0. Pi square minus pi by 2 of tan pi. Tan pi value is equals to what here? Tan pi value is equals to 0 minus secant pi value. Secant pi value is equals to we know that is 1. Secant pi value is equals to minus 1, and tan 0 value is 0, and secant 0 is equals to 1. So here plus 1 minus 1 equals 0. Finally I equals to I square by 2 minus pi by 2 into 0. Finally I equals to I square by 2. This is the final answer. Evaluate the integration 0 to pi x sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx. So this also we can take just like a similar second question. Okay, let I'm taking this is I equals to 0 to pi x sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx. Next pi I am going to substitute in place of x. 0 to pi minus x of sin pi minus x by 1 plus cos square pi minus x dx. I equals 0 to pi minus x sin 180 minus theta. Sin 180 minus theta is in the second quadrant, and sin will not sin is a positive. Second quadrant in sin is always positive, and we are taking 180 plus theta and 180 minus theta for we can get the ratio is will not change. So sin will become sin only, cos will become cos only. So here sin x we can get, and 1 plus cos 180 minus theta. Cos 180 minus theta is in the second quadrant. Actually it is a negative, but a square is this, that's why it becomes positive only. And 180 plus theta change, cos only, sin only. So it become cos square x only into dx. And when I take separate here, I equals to integral 0 to pi into sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx plus 0 to pi minus is there actually minus x sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx. When I take this minus here, and this is equals to I, x sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx is equals to I, that I am going to write here, equal 0 to pi. This pi is a constant, so that we can write here pi sin x by 1 plus cos square x, 1 plus cos square x dx minus I. This minus I, when I take here 2i, that 2i equals to pi of integral 0 to pi sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx, 1 plus cos square x dx. I equals to pi by 2 of 0 to pi sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx. Just this two I am changing right side, pi by 2 we can get here. Let here I am taking, let x equals to, let t equals to cos x, let t equals to cos x. When you do here derivation on both sides, we can get here dt equals to minus sin x, minus sin x. Here sin x we need, here sin x dx we need. So minus, when you take here minus dt equals to sin x dx. Sin x dx value I am going to substitute here. Before that we have to find a upper limit and lower limit. Upper limit equals to, here we have to substitute t equals to, first pi we have to substitute cos pi. Cos pi value equals to what here? Cos pi value equals to minus 1, because cos 180 degrees equals to minus 1. Cos 0 and cos pi, it is a greatest and lowest value. Lower limit equals to t equals to cos, lower limit is what here? 0 is there, so cos 0 equals to what here? 1. So these values I am going to substitute here. I equals to 0 to pi into 0 to 0 to pi sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx. This value, in this we have to substitute all these values. I equals to pi of 0, lower limit is equals to 1 and upper limit equals to minus 1 is there, minus 1, and sin x dx value is equals to what? Sin x dx value minus sin x dx value equals minus dt by 1 plus cos x value is a t, so here cos square equals to t square we can get here, and minus we have to send left side. I equals to minus pi of minus plus 1 to minus 1 dt by 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square, and this limit, lower limit should be negative small value, upper limit should be greater value. So but here change is there, here up, here high value is there, here low value is there. To become these two values change, here symbol will be changed, minus will become plus, plus will become minus. So here my I equals to, this minus will become plus I minus 1 to plus 1 dt by 1 plus t square. It is like integration of 1 by 1 plus x square dx, that equals to tan inverse x. Integration of 1 by 1 plus x square dx equals to tan inverse x. This formula we are going to use here. I equals to pi into tan inverse x. The limits is minus 1 and plus 1. That values we are going to substitute. I equals to pi of tan inverse plus 1 minus tan inverse minus 1. I equals to pi of, in the tan table, at what angle we can get for 1 at 45 degrees. So we can get here pi by 4, and here minus pi by 4 we can get here, because in tan table at 45 degrees we can get 1. So 45 degrees we can take pi by 4. Pi by 4, 180 minus 4 equals to 45 degrees. Here minus of minus plus you can get I equals to pi into pi by 4 plus pi by 4, that equals to pi into 2 pi by 4, 2 1s are 2 2s are, pi into pi square by 2. Like we can solve. Thank you friends, thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share to your friends.